Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Chen. I thought we could sing a song together today and read a story again. I have a question for you though. What is the weather like where you live? What's it like? How can you know what the weather is like today? Well, you could look out your window or you could go outside and look up in the sky. We know what weather it is when we look in the sky and see what's up there. So it could be cloudy in the sky, it could be raining, it could be snowing, it could be sunny, or it could be partly cloudy. That means there's sun and clouds poking out of the sky. So that's how you know what the weather is. So I want to teach you a song called What's the Weather Like Today? Okay, we sing this in my preschool class a lot. So if you remember it, sing it along with me, okay? It goes like this. 1, 2, 3. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Those are things we can see in the sky when we look up there and we can know what the weather is like. Now that's different than what it feels like outside. That's called the temperature. So if you go outside and your arms start to feel cold, then the temperature is low and it means it's a cold day. But if you go outside and your skin feels hot, it means the temperature is high and then it's warm or hot outside. So temperature is different from weather, and we're going to talk about weather today. What's going on up in the sky that affects what happens down on the ground where we live. So I have a book for you today called What Will the Weather Be Like Today? Where I am, it's very sunny outside and it's hot. What is it like where you live? Well, this book is going to see what the weather is like here. Let's read it together. So put on your looking eyes, listening ears, and quiet voices for our story. Just at the moment when night becomes day, when the stars in the sky begin to fade away, what's starting to come up? The sun and the moon is going away with the stars. It's a new day. You can hear all the birds and the animals say, what will the weather be like today? Everybody's waiting to see. What will the weather be like today? Wow, I see some cute animals over there. I love giraffes. What do you like in this picture? That's great. Will it be a windy day? How do you know if it's windy? What do you see moving? The trees are bending, the leaves are blowing, the waves are moving on the water. Ooh, this boy's flying a kite. And when you go outside, you can feel the wind on your skin or blowing your hair like that. Has that ever happened to you? Will it be warm today? Wow, look at everybody out at the park, playing, laying out with a picnic. You can do those things on a warm day. Is it warm where you are today? Ooh, will there be snow? When there's snow, people can make a snowman, have a snowball fight, go skiing or snowboarding, go sledding. There he is, he's sledding. Or will there be frost? Frost is like a very thin layer of ice that lands on the ground or on tops of houses. Ooh, or will there be a storm today? Wow, how do you know it's a storm right now? What do you see in the sky? Lightning bolts and very dark clouds. That's how you know there's going to be a storm. Everybody's got their umbrellas and their raincoats and rain jackets to stay safe from the storm. The leaves are blowing wild. Wow. Ooh, you know what the lizard says? He says, be dry and I won't complain. The lizard lives in the desert and he loves it when it's hot and dry outside, just like it is here in California. The frog in the bog says, perhaps it will rain because the frog loves the water. He lives near the swamps or the marshes where it's wet and sticky. The white cockatoo likes it steamy and hot, like in Florida. with humidity. Yeah, those birds like that. What about this little mole? The mole doesn't know if it's raining or not. Why doesn't he know? Where is he hiding? He's under the ground. Here's the top of the ground, and he makes tunnels under the ground. So he doesn't even know what the weather is. He needs to come out and check it out, huh? Whatever the weather, I work, says the little bee. Do you see a bee in this picture? He's very small. There he is. That bee keeps working no matter what. Wet, says the duck, is the weather for me. The little duck loves it when it's raining and wet. And so do I. That's one of Mrs. Chun's favorite weathers, rain. Quack, quack. Weather? What's that? Says the fish in the sea. They don't even know what weather is because it's always cold and wet under the ocean, huh? They don't live up in the air because they don't breathe like that, like us. Fish have scales, so they can live under the water. They don't need any air. The world has awakened. The day has begun. Look at everybody out and about. And somewhere it might be cloudy, and somewhere there's sun. The weather is different in all sorts of parts of the world. Everywhere you go, you might find that it's a little bit different. Somewhere the sun and the rain meet to play. A little bit of sun and the rain today. And paint a bright rainbow to dress up the day. Remember, after it rains, what can you see up in the sky? A beautiful rainbow. That is so pretty. So how is the weather where you are today? Everybody's weather is a little different. How can we figure out what the weather is? We can look out our window, or we can go outside and look up in the sky. That's how we know what the weather is. It's what's going on up above us. And remember, temperature is how it feels on our skin, what we can feel outside, if it's hot or cold. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day where you live and enjoy the weather that you have. I'll see you soon. Bye.